Hello, I'm Kaushik and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make bonsai tree or moss tree for aquarium using driftwood pieces and java moss. So let's start. I had some driftwood pieces that I would use for this purpose. I am sticking the pieces together with super glue. I am joining the pieces in such a way so that it looks like a shape of a tree trunk. I need 2 trees for my next aquascape, so I will make one more like this. I am applying more super glue to make a strong bondage. Now I am leaving them to dry completely. I am adding some stones as the base. These will also help to keep the driftwoods submerged in the water. I am using hot glue for this job. Now it's time to attach the java moss. I am using an aquarium filter sponge as a base on which I will attach the moss. First I am cutting the sponge into small pieces, then placing the moss on the top of each piece and tying it with thread. Next I am sticking each piece to the driftwood branches using hot glue. All the pieces have been attached and now it is ready to be used in the aquarium. After 2 months, the java mosses have grown very well and the trees are looking really nice. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, and if you want to see more videos from this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon before you go. Also, if you have any queries related to my videos, let me know in the comments section below. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.